Hey Internet, this is Whiskey 6 stroke Charlie Tango dash 009. It's Butler Peak. There's a nice fire lookout tower up here. To get up here, you go up this path, zigzag down there, and that's kind of the end of a spur road that comes off 2N19, I believe. The spur road was washed out for 3 or 4 years, so this peak wasn't activated very often, although there was some activity up here. But in the last, when I was speaking with the volunteer fire staffer up there, working the tower up there, she said it just opened this July, so July 4th they opened this road up and were able to staff the fire lookout again. It's a really narrow ridge up here. I tried working 2 meters 70 centimeters, 2 meters 2 meters CW. I'm sorry, let me back up. Worked 70 centimeters CW and 2 meters CW, but got no takers on 2 meters CW. Made one contact on 2 meters FM, and I need a couple more, so I set up the HF antenna here. I brought the 817 out this time. I've been using it all day. It's my third summit of the day. It's getting a little bit late. The hike up here was a little further than I thought, about just under 3 miles. So I got another 3 miles to hike back over there somewhere. And I'd like to do that before it gets dark, so maybe I got about an hour, maybe 45 minutes of the radio, and then an hour down, and hopefully I can get back to the car and onto the paved road before dark, because there was also a little bit of a paved road here, and I'm sorry, a little bit of a gravel road, and I only got a flat tire or something to be stuck out here in the middle of the night by myself. So went up to the tower earlier and talked to the lady and staffing it, and got some history, and got to look at the instruments and look through the equipment to spot fires. That was pretty neat. Thanks for watching.